to change email on Ryanair account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your email on your Ryanair account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for ryanair.com and you will be landed to the official website of Ryanair. And over here just simply log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account already, just simply click on sign up and create an account for yourself. If you already have an account, just simply click on login and log in with your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, all you have to do in order to change your email address, you need to click on the profile section from the top right of the screen. Just simply click on it, and from there just go to the account section. From there just simply tap on it, and over here on the account section you will be able to see the personal info of yours, like your name, your surname, your date of birth, email address and other details. As you can see that right beside your name, your date of birth, phone number and other details, you will be able to see this edit icon right there. But along with the email address section, you won't see the option to edit your email address. That means Ryanair doesn't allow you to change your email address with them. So if you still want to change your email address, all you can do is just simply log out with this particular account and sign up with a different email address and create a new account for yourself. And this way you will be able to change your email on your Ryanair account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.